welcome back to another video in Switzerland. The weather has taken a turn for the worse. It's currently raining. It was actually just sunny 5 minutes ago. We got the Machina, Volante, and Stratman over there. Great looking car. The wing is massive. Now, I do have one little thing for you Lamborghini kids. We're gonna have a little chit chat about this, but the font on this Machina Volante on the side of your wing kind of looks like Comic Sans font, you know, like the font that they all make fun of. But that's just the only little thing I've got on this car, but it's a really good looking car, much better than the Senna. Dedication to the craft at its finest in the rain. We've got Stratman. It is pouring. He's so oh, way to make things awkward, bro. What the fuck? Alright guys, we're here at the La Reserve Hotel. Check out the color on this Bentley. Hold on, wait for it. We got a stripe. We got a black stripe on it. Oh, what? I don't know, there's some sort of racing livery or what's going on with this, but it's like a highlighter yellow. What I was actually going to film was this. Oh, the curve. Woo, baby. Look at that curb rash. Yikes. We got the ML Koenigsegg out. Apollo might be coming out. The sun is out. It's literally raining 15 minutes ago. We got the Apollo starting up over there, causing quite the ruckus. Now, this is obviously way more entertaining than the actual Geneva show. We got a couple of Ventadors over there as well. S, SV, the ML. Got a ton of leapers here too. Dude, we're doing some plane spotting. Check out the zoom. Oh, we could probably read the tail number there. Hold on. Oh yeah, Lufthansa. There we go. Yes, we really are that poor. I've been stomping on the snow.
You did a great job though.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, by the way, this is our rental car here, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio Q4. It's a diesel. Let's go inside and take a peek. Here we go. Check out the interior. It's actually quite nice. Here we go. It's quite snug and cozy. I do like the controls here. The fake wood finish, something to be desired, but it's all right. But the check these out right here. The paddle shifters are so enormous, it actually obstructs the other other buttons and levers here. So that's all right. Currently waiting for a couple cars to arrive here at the La Reserve Hotel, but looks like this guy's got his Bentley. It's not stuck. I think he's just not sure if he's gonna hit the curb. He's being really, really careful. Oh, that was so close. There we go. Whole flock of leapers, including us. Just missed the revs that he just did, but there you go. The ML. Only he and Passon were the ones that really made it out for this supposed takeover, but it never really happened. So check this out, guys. We got a Zagato Aston Martin, then the Raya just rolled up, and we got a G-Wagon over there with Dubai plates rolling up at the La Reserve Hotel. This is a great looking Koenigsegg RS. Even nicer Aston right here, but man, these taillights are pretty sick. Oh, and it's the convertible version. Well done. But there you go. The Dubai plated G-Wagon. Quite the spot here in Geneva, guys. As we're currently exiting our hotel here, we got the mini bar. Each of our rooms don't actually have their individual mini bars, but we got this honor system here. Just kind of just take what you want, put it right here, the total, and they're going to charge your room number. This will never happen in America, guys. Seems like Switzerland has a knack of having their dealerships meshed in with gas stations. We've got a bunch of Ferraris over there with this Shell station. Check that out. Lo and behold, in the middle of Lucerne, in the middle of nowhere, we have a V6 F-Type. They're everywhere, guys. It's like a disease. All right, guys, so we're starting up our dealership loop, and we just got out 30 minutes outside of Lucerne, and we've arrived at our first spot. Unfortunately, the owner of this place said that we were not allowed to enter in, but they do have a brand new GT2 RS. Let me zoom in on there. Hold on, wait, closer. closer. It's sort of blurry, but you guys get the idea. I have not even seen a single brand new GT2RS on the road, but they managed to have one just blocking their main entrance right over there. So that's pretty crazy. So we definitely hit the jackpot, but unfortunately, whoa, there's a American Charger that just drove past. Anyways, Challenger, sorry. All right, we're gonna head over to Lamborghini St. Gallen for a top secret mission, but there it is, guys. We got the Panamera, got the GL, we got the Porsche GT2RS, of course the Range Rover SVR. This place is packed, loaded with cars that we cannot even see. So, oh well, on to the next destination. Disappointment. We're at a gas stop here. They have the McCafe here, separated from the main McDonald's upstairs. So this is just the lounge bar and takeaway section. Interesting. They take their McDonald's here pretty damn seriously. The prices here are not ideal, honestly. Let's take a look. Looking at $3.50 for a bottle of Red Bull here, $2.80 for a can of Mountain Dew. Jeez, man. These prices are. But we're looking at $21.90 for a pillow that winks at you. This is Switzerland, guys. The prices here are just out of control, honestly. We're back at the self-kiosk here at a local McDonald's. Once again, this is our staple food source because it's probably the cheapest and the most convenient. Let's go with the Filet-O-Fish here. We've found ourselves once again at McDonald's for the 20th time here in Switzerland. It's probably the most convenient and easiest place to eat. My total for a... oh, it's 1510 Swiss francs. Huh, okay. We got the fish fillet meal and a McFlurry. What do you get, James?
I got the same thing, but I got a CBO.
Oh, you got the CBO, nice. We got table service. I'm number 183. They're gonna bring the food straight to the table, baby. You don't get this kind of service in America, but we are paying out of our asses here in Switzerland, so there is that. Just finished our meal and we drove past this random dealership off the side of the freeway or highway or whatever you want to call it. Check out the flames. Oh yes, fuckboy-o-rama. It's a bunch of G-Wagons here. We got a 4x4 squared, G-Wagon trucks, cabriolets, the whole shebang. Interesting. We got the Fab Design dealership right over here. Let's take a quick look inside. It's closed, obviously. It's Saturday. It's a little bit difficult to see. Let me zoom in there. All the cars inside of here are Fab Design, and they got the flyers for each car for sale right over there. Hold on, let's see. Fab Design Panamera. But check that out. There's a tree on top of it. It's probably sat here for so long, there's like decaying leaves all over the car. Interesting. Yeah, so we're right next to the highway here. We're just here on our way to St. Gallen, that away, for a top secret mission. Random finds off the freeway here in Switzerland. A lot of secrets here in Switzerland. Check this out, it's got mold. Oh, what? There's mold growing on this car. It's been here for so long. This is desperation at its finest, ladies and gentlemen. We have nothing to film. We're lost in Switzerland. We got our diesel Stelvio. We got Stradman hiding in the rain.
Whoa!
Whoa! Hello, mate. Check this out, guys. We got the fuckboys of Switzerland, an MR2. Check out that JDM wing. Oh yeah, baby. Let's get out of here. Here we are, guys. The Holy Grail, Lamborghini St. Gallen. I don't know what to expect here, but there's 2 Centenarios in the service center, so we think. So we're gonna take a look, take a quick gander inside. This is the moment the truth. Drove 3 hours from Geneva. We gotta get away from Geneva. That place was a complete hot mess. So last coupe in blue Cephas. Gotta do some zooming in for you. You can see the outlines on the tire, on the side skirt right there. Hold on, and I'm gonna pan over to the, you can't obviously see anything, but it's right there. The pink Centenario Roadster, the final one ever made here in St. Gallen. What a shame that we can't see these cars. Well guys, disaster has struck once again. I do apologize for the lack of good content here in Switzerland, but everyone here is so secretive about their cars. We got the St. Gallen Lamborghini dealership. 2 Centenarios have been spotted there. A blue Cephas Roadster and a pink coupe And, you know, well, at least they have a V8 F-Type out front, so mad respect to them. But unfortunately, it's not really the dealership's fault they can't show these cars. It's the owner. And we're going to check out another dealership, Autoscenen in Germany. Oh, check out that color on the Mercedes. Whoa. Yes, we got a spot. Oh my goodness, it was like matte pink. All right, so we did see something good here today, guys, but I'm gonna just probably chill here and I don't know, find a hotel and just edit some videos. Wait, we have no video to edit, so that being said, let's go back in the car. All right, currently here staying at a hotel in St. Gallen where the sketchy Lamborghini dealership was. Can I politely turn this down to film the Centenarios? But check this out, guys. We got a gnome in the backyard of our hotel giving the thumbs up. Oh no, wait, he's giving the peace sign. There you go. There it is, guys. The saving grace of being in Switzerland. We got fiber optic internet, 100+ megabyte upload. I'm currently uploading a video right now as we speak. It's literally going to take less than a minute. It's a 2 gig file, so we got a man just like, what the he's so oh, way to make things awkward, bro. What the fuck?